Hello guys, in this session we will learn about the local storage. We can use the storage API that is available for storing the data on the client side. This is very useful when you want to develop an application in which user can perform the certain task when he or she is offline. For this we are using the JavaScript, and window.local storage object is used for the updating and retrieving the value. Local storage is similar to the session storage. The only difference is that there is no expiration in the local storage. Following are the method of the local storage. By using the setItem method, we can add the key value pair into the local storage. With the getItem method, we can retrieve the value of the any specific key. Using the remove item, we can remove the item from the our local storage. Key method is used to retrieve the item by using the index. Length method is used to retrieve the number of items that exist in the local storage. With the clear method, we can remove all of the key value pair from the local storage. Let's switch to the Visual Studio and see the example. This is the same app that we are creating in our previous examples. Within the script folder, we need to open the index.js. This is the default file that added by the Cordova itself. OnDeviceReady method is a method that will automatically call when our device was ready. We need to write all of the code within this method. First of all, we need to retrieve the object. Local storage object. For this, I am using the one variable name local storage equal to window.local storage, and after this we need to add the some key value pair local storage dot. For this we are using setItem method and specify the key. Let's take app name and value my app. After the setting, we can also retrieve the value. For this example, I am going to write the value in the console. For this, we need to use the console.log method. We need to write the object name dot get item and specify the key, that is app name. That's it. We need to execute in the REPL. You can see that our application is started. To view the console tab, we need to open the inspect element. For this, you can also press the F12. Click on the console tab. You can see that there is one log with the name, app name is the my app, that is written by our application. First of all, we need to retrieve the local storage object, then set the values and retrieve the value by using the getItem. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please contact me.